Welcome to day 3, part 2. We are talking simmer pots. This has been such a fun project for me. I have just had a blast putting this together this weekend. I've done a lot of research on different scent profiles and how to match them and to create a signature scent. So all this stuff I'll share with you in the guide. But just look at this, how beautiful it is. Now you can do this in a jar, which I recommend because you can use this several times. Depending on how many hours you like to simmer it. You can strain it and put it back in a jar, put it in the fridge, and then start again the next day or in a few days. It's just visually just beautiful. And I'll just show you this tray. This is what the tray looks like. The video yesterday showed me cutting up all the fruit, but then I dried it in my oven, and I was just so thrilled with how this came out. Like the color for the grapefruit, just absolutely spectacular. The key, and I'll share this in the guide too, is to soak your fruit in lemon water and completely dry it before you put it in the oven to dry. But just a few things I'll share in the guide that will make this a joyful experience for you. And also, one thing I've learned is for some of the scents, in order for it to continue to stay natural, you need to crush some of the whole spices. For example, the anise, it's shaped in a star. You'll need to grind it, and I use a mortar and pestle, but I'll show you how that's done. You'll see that coming up next, but I hope you've enjoyed the simmer pot. I hope you consider doing it. I have had so much fun this weekend researching and going through the process that I decided I'm going to do a holiday pop-up virtual on my website where I will be selling these. So if this is something that you love but you don't have the time or patience to do this, I will be offering these for sale. Right now I've developed 4 different blends. This one is Christmas Morning. You can see this. My guide will have all the labels. They look something like this that you could take and you can print out, or I could print them as well. So thank you for joining me, and I'll see you tomorrow.